Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
When you sell anything for your company, you have to fill out one of these sales forms within QuickBooks. The sales form you use depends on whether you expect payment in the future or at the time of sale. If you expect to be paid in the future, you fill out an invoice for the sale. Later on, you will match the customer payment you receive to the associated invoice. However, if you take full payment at the time of sale, you will instead fill out a sales receipt to give to the customer. You can create an invoice for a customer by selecting Customers, Create Invoices from the menu bar. You can create a sales receipt by selecting Customers, Enter Sales Receipts from the menu bar. You can see that these forms are very similar in their layout and usage. In this chapter, you will examine how to perform data entry within the sales forms in QuickBooks.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.